Hello viewers, I'm Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problem number 6 in exercise 12.2. Problem is a chord of a circle of radius 15 cm subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Use pi as 3.14 and root 3 as 1.73. So here we need to find the minor and major segments, right? Both are segments here, no sectors. So the first step is, you see, just draw the diagram. Radius is 15 centimeter and angle is 60 degree. So here area of the minor segment, right? So area of the minor segment is, what is your minor segment? This ACB is your minor segment. So this can be calculated by calculating the area of this sector OACB, right, minus area of the triangle OAB, right. We are calculating this entire area and then we are subtracting this part so that we can easily find the area of this minor segment, right. So area of the minor sector is given by the formula theta by 360 degree into pi r square, right. Again this is OACB. So here theta is 60 degree and the value of r is 15, right? Just substitute, and 60 by 360 is 6 are 36, right? Therefore here 1 by 6 into 3.14 into 15 into 15 is 225. So again when you multiply 225 by 3.14, we are arriving with 706.50. And again when you divide here, we will be having 117.75 centimeter square, right? So here just I have done those calculations here, right? I believe you people can do it by yourself. Just simple multiplication, right? Just you should be aware of where to keep the dots. That is the decimal points exactly. That's the thing. So here we are finally having the answer as 117.75 centimeter square. The next thing is finding the area of triangle AOB. So again the formula is of r square into sine theta. So r is 15 and theta is 60 degrees. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Again 15 into 15 is 225, right? So just do your calculation. You can substitute the value of root 3 as 1.73. Right, just you have to do the multiplication and finally we are ending up with the answer as 97.3125 centimeter square because it is area. Right, so area of the minor segment is, here we have to subtract area of the minor sector minus area of this triangle. So area of the minor sector is 117.75 minus this portion is 97.3125. Right, therefore when you subtract, we are ending up with the answer as 20.4375 centimeter square, right. Again the multiplication, everything the same thing, just do bit carefully because each and every step, if you make a single mistake in the step 1, that will reflect in your final answer, right. So be aware, check the numbers twice while solving and then just do the multiplication, right. Now the next thing is finding the area of the major segment of the circle. So major segment of the circle, as we already discussed. So in this diagram, what is your major segment? You see, you are having a circle and you are having a chord, right? So let the chord be AB. This is your minor segment. Obviously, this is your major segment, right? So how to find the area of the major segment? You can find the area of the circle and you can subtract this area of the minor segment so that you can have the area of the major segment. Yes, right? So here area of the circle is pi r square minus the area of the minor segment, you see just now we calculated, right? So in the place of r, just substitute 15 as usual, do the calculations, and here finally the area of the major segment is, you see, 686.0625 centimeter square, right. So this problem gets over here. We will proceed with our next one. Problem number 7. A chord of circle of radius 12 cm subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Okay, here the same thing. Okay, just like a previously solved problems. Again, use pi is 3.14 and root 3 as 1.73. So here we are having a circle. We are having a radius of 12 centimeter and the respective angle is 120 degree at the center. Right. So find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Yes. You see. So here we are having the radius of 12 centimeter and this is the respective chord. Right. AQ is the chord here and the angle is 120 degree. So find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. So the corresponding segment of the circle is this part again, right? APQ is your segment. So again, how to find APQ? The same procedure here. You have to find the area of this part and then you have to subtract the area of this triangle, right? So then finally that will give you the area of this minor segment, right? So what is the formula to find the area of the sector? So area of the sector is given by theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So what is the value of theta here? Here the value of theta is 120 degrees. So 120 by 360 into 3.14 into the value of r is 12. Right. So here again you see 12 and 36, they cancel each other by 3 times. Okay, 12 3s are 36. So here comes 3 and again I am cancelling this 3 and 12, right? 4 3s are 12. So when you multiply 3.14 into 4 into 12 is nothing but 48 and once you multiply you are arriving at the answer as 150.72 centimeter square, right? So again while doing calculation, do it carefully, okay? Each and every answer corresponds to the upcoming answers. So do it carefully, check twice. Now the second thing is area of the triangle OAQ. So area of the triangle is given by the formula 1 by 2 into r square into sin theta. So the value of r is 12 and theta is 120 degree. So how to find the value of 120? Because we are having the value starting from 0 degree, the maximum value is 90 degree, right? So for sin 120, the simple thing is we are splitting and writing this 120 as 90 plus 30, right? So sin 90 plus theta is nothing but cos theta. So here comes cos 30. Okay, the remaining terms, they remain as such. So cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Right, again when you solve what happens, you see 2, 6 2s are 12 and again this 2, again 6 2s are 12. So 6 6 are 36 root 3 and again 36 root 3 is 1.73. Right, so here I have done the rough work. Right, here I have just multiplied. So here the answer is 62.28 centimeter square. So area of the corresponding segment. Now we have to do subtraction, right? Area of the sector OAPQ minus area of the triangle OAQ. So 150.72 minus 62.28. So when you subtract, this gives the answer as 88.44 centimeter square. Again, let me show you this subtraction also. 62.28, right? So here becomes 12, here becomes 6. So here it is 4 and here again it is 4. So here it is 4 and here it is 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8 and 14 minus 6 is again 8. So here the answer is 88.44 centimeter square. Right. So here comes the end of this video. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.